So today I'm here to share with you guys the best choice kids 3-in-1 sand and water activity table. You guys, this has been so amazing for us. We actually got it for a party we recently had at our house, and guys, this was such a hit. So the one thing about this is number one, this is the perfect table for your toddlers or your littles to just sit at. Kind of think of it like having a kids table when you have, Thanksgiving feasts and whatnot. There's always a table designated for the kiddos. This is more along the lines of why we purchased this item, because we wanted to have a kids table for our kids because we were having a Hawaiian themed party. Okay, and so let me go ahead and take you guys in a little bit so you guys can see just how amazing this is. First of all, there are two versions of the umbrella that you can get. So you can either get the blue and white one or the green and white one. Okay, and it opens and closes very well, and I'll demonstrate that for you guys here in just a second. In addition to the fact that it is this beautiful stained wood color. Now, one of the best things about this is the fact that right here in this table, in this inside area here, there's a hidden compartment where you can actually put toys, water, toys, and all kinds of things. And I'm going to show that to you guys in just a sec. But just so you guys can see exactly what the table looks like, look how beautifully stained the wood is. Okay, and it is wood, by the way. Okay, so plenty of room for your littles. This is such a perfect toddler table, or kids table as it were. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just how easy it is to go ahead and close the umbrella, and then I'm going to show you the middle compartment that is super exciting about this item. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys just how easy it is to close the umbrella. My husband is demonstrating right over here. Okay, and just to note that on the bottom of the umbrella, just so you guys know, my husband's going to pick up the umbrella real quick, and he's going to show you the fact that there is a little pointed tip at the bottom of the umbrella so that you can actually stick this in the ground to make it even more secure. So I thought I'd show that to you guys too. Now my husband's going to go ahead and take the umbrella out, and then he's going to show you the secret compartment. Okay, so just so you guys can see, look at this, guys, look at this. Boom. Okay, now we recently used this, okay, to put some kinetic sand in here and to play with the sand toys and whatnot. And we're getting ready to put this away, which is why you see our little bag right over here, because this is what our sand toys were in. But just so you guys can see, look how amazing this is. Now imagine putting water beads in here, literally water you can put in here, and then just have some floating toys up top, right? You can do kinetic sand like we did. Okay, obviously the kids, as you guys can see, had some fun, and it's such a great way to entertain the kids all at the same time. And then of course, when you're ready to go ahead and seat the kids to eat, you're gonna put the lid right back on very easily, and it's gonna cover up the toys that were featured within it. Just that simple. All in all, you guys, this is such an incredible find. It's one of the best finds that we've found recently for the kiddos. We're gonna be using it all throughout the summer, and then of course put it up and then use it again next year. So highly recommend, and I hope this video helps in making your decision.